channel. If you are new here, we recently moved into a new place a little over a month ago. So a lot of my recent videos have been about that process, moving in and stuff. It's been so fun. We absolutely love it here. But with moving to a new place, we have picked up a few new things for the house, and we have gotten stuff from a few different places, but one of the main places is IKEA. So I thought I would just do a little IKEA haul for you guys today in case you guys need new home stuff or just need some inspo for that. They have some really cute stuff there right now. So yeah, we're just gonna do a good old IKEA haul. Okay, I've kind of grabbed everything from around the house that's from IKEA. I think I got it all. I kind of have it sitting over here, so I'm just gonna start grabbing things to show you guys. Okay, the first thing that I picked up is this basket. I haven't put it together yet, but it's just like this square box basket thing. They have so many cute baskets right now, but I thrift so often that I have too many baskets, my husband would say. But I thought this square one would be great for just like good organization. So I'm planning on putting this in my craft room and just putting a bunch of craft stuff in it to help organize that. I may need to pick up a few more, but I love this. This is like one of the front pieces of the square. I just like the pattern of that. I was seeing if I could put it together, but it's tied right here, so I need to cut that off first. The next things I grabbed, this was one of the main reasons why I went to IKEA. I got the kids twin size beds because Hallie at least is now old enough for one. So I wanted to get like their duvets and the duvet inserts from IKEA. I actually found their duvets from H&M because I liked the colors better from there, but I got the duvet inserts from IKEA and then just some pillows for them too. Gotta love IKEA for bedding. The next thing that I grabbed for the kitchen isn't too exciting, but I got these wooden forks to like toss a salad because we don't have any yet, but I just like the look of these. They're so cute. Okay, next up I picked up this cutie watering can. I have lots of plants spread out throughout the house, and usually I just fill up a cup of water, which works just as well, but I just thought this was cute, so grabbed this. And to complement the watering can, I saw this cutie planter. The plant's not from IKEA. Rubber tree, so cute. I'm so excited for it to grow. But this is from IKEA, this cutie little woven wicker looking little basket I thought was cute, so grabbed that for my plant. Also on the subject of plants, I found this rattan planter. That's what it says it's used for. I'm sure you can do several things with this. I think that like a little shoe rack would be cute, or I don't know. I just thought this was so cute. So I had to grab this. I had it in the box in my cart. I think it's originally, let me see, $35, but then I always check the as-is section at IKEA, because they usually have stuff that people just return, or there's just like a tiny thing wrong with it. They'll discount it quite a bit. So I went into that section at the end and I saw this in the section for $10 off. So this, I got it for $26 instead of $35. And the only reason that it was discounted is that it was just already made and built out of the box. So scored a deal on this because I was gonna get it anyway. But yeah, I just think this is so stinking cute. Had to pick that up. Okay, the next thing that I always like to get at IKEA are picture frames because they're super cheap, but I also like the look of them. They're just very clean and simple. So I was looking for a frame for this piece of art that I have, and I'm so happy with how it looks, just a plain black frame. I'm gonna zoom up on this picture because you need to see this. Oh, my ring light. Let me turn off my ring light for a minute. Okay, look at this painting. Look how beautiful this is. There's an artist that I love from Utah who creates a lot of beautiful art, and this is one that she did right around the time when COVID was like super new and scary. And I just love this picture so much. Just kind of the thought of it can be like totally dark and scary outside, but within your home you can create a feeling of safety and of love for your family. And I absolutely love this. So I had to grab that from her. I'll leave the link to it down below if anyone's interested, but I'm obsessed with this. So I was so happy to get a frame so I can frame it, or so I can hang it up on our walls, because I love this little reminder to make our home a safe spot and a spot that you can, I don't know, be happy and not be scared, even though outside's kind of crazy right now. So I'm gonna go hang it back up right now. Okay, just 2 more things, I think. Okay, the next thing that I grabbed is this book stand. I thought this would be perfect for the kids' room. In our past house, I had like bookshelves on the wall, which was fine, but Hallie just loves being able to grab them. So I thought this would just be an easy way just to keep this on the floor. She can grab books whenever she wants, and it's easy for the kids to clean up themselves as well. One thing about this though, I love the look of it. I think I want to get some like cane webbing and do a little DIY and put it right here. I think that would just look cute. But I did paint the bottom because this comes bright blue, which that might not bother you, but bright blue isn't really in my aesthetic. So before I put this piece in, I just painted it this like creamy color, and I like it a lot more. So that's one little DIY that I did on this, but love this little book stand. And then the last things that I picked up from IKEA to go with that book stand for the kids, I got them each a little chair so that they can sit and read books, and it's super cute. They love it. They'll just sit next to each other and just read books. Yeah, I'm obsessed with these. Good purchase. I think I want to like do a little DIY and make a little pillow or something to go right here to cushion it a little more and put their names on it or something to make it more personalized for them, because this is like their chairs. So let me know if you'd want to see a DIY like that. I can make a video. So yeah, that is, I think, everything that I picked up from IKEA recently. Good additions to the house, but nothing like super crazy, because I don't want to buy like a bunch of new furniture. But the house is coming together so well. I'm almost done with it, and then we'll do a full house tour for anyone who wants to see that. So subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on that. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you love IKEA. I'll try to link everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for 17,000 of you. That is like mind-blowing to me. I hit 17K, and it's just very cool. So thank you so much. Thank you for all the support and the comments that you give. I love that I get to do this, that I get to make videos, and it's not just my mom watching anymore. They'll love you, Mom. So yeah, just wanted to say thank you. I love you guys, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye.